Confusion over the mass layoffs at the Department of Health and Human Services. Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. admitted that some workers were mistakenly fired. Senior political correspondent Rachel Scott is at the White House with the story. Good morning, Rachel.
George, good morning to you. And Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is now backtracking. 10,000 people were let go from the Department of Health and Human Services this week. Entire departments were shuttered. But now Kennedy admitting some people were fired by mistake. This morning, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. telling ABC News some of the 10,000 people who were fired were cut by mistake.
There were a number of instances where studies that should have not have been cut were cut, and we've reinstated them. Personnel that should not have been cut were cut. We're reinstating them, and that was always the plan.
Health and Human Services not only provides health information to the public, but also helps fight diseases and provides desperately needed research on vaccines and medical treatment. The agency began laying off thousands of workers on Tuesday, shuttering whole divisions. The top scientists monitoring the bird flu, gone. The official who led the program that cut teen tobacco use in half, gone too. ABC News reporter Cheyenne Haslett asked Kennedy why the department had cut a CDC program that monitors lead levels in children. The same program that uncovered the lead in applesauce pouches in 2023.
Can you explain the rationale for cutting a program like that and why that's not an essential service?
There were some programs that were cuts that are being reinstated, and I believe that that's one of them.
Those comments catching the director of that program by surprise.
Without us, there is no other unit at the federal level that is here to support them in doing what they need to do.
But overnight, an HHS official telling ABC News that the program, how it exists now, will not be reinstated, saying the work will still continue elsewhere at HHS. All of this prompting a lot of confusion. Secretary Kennedy insists that these cuts are necessary to streamline the agency, but he would not say how many people would be reinstated or which programs would be brought back, Michael.
It's just creating a lot of chaos there. All right. Thank you so much, Rachel.